Brian Bowersock, the Auto Man here. Today we're talking about getting your vehicle ready for winter and if you're heading up to the mountains. Now here in Southern California, we don't think about this a whole lot, but there's some good thought you should put into this before heading up there. Often you'll get temperatures that are extremely cold while you're up there, and you may run into some weather that your vehicle requires certain things to get on up the hill. So that's what we're talking about today. Cables and chains. Usually the best options for most vehicle is cables. Cables are lighter weight, they're easier to install, easier to cart around, and probably the best option. You do want to make sure you get the proper cables for your vehicle. It all goes by tire size. So make sure when you do go get cables or chains for your vehicle, you speak to somebody there at the store that can help you out and get the exact right size. Number two, strongly suggest that you install these in a parking lot down here, just so you're familiar with them. Before you get up there, it's extremely cold, bad weather, and you got to get them put on pretty quickly. The last thing I would suggest is making sure your cooling system and antifreeze is in good working order and the right dilution. That'll keep anything from inside your engine freezing. It's a good idea to replace the thermostat at that time too. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
Join the Auto Man next Friday during News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW. Plus, listen to Auto Talk Radio Saturday mornings at 7 on the AM 760 KFMB.